This is alarm clock that has a pretty basic design going on, but it has a few extras in terms of features. It does have a thermometer built in, so you can see the temperature of the room. It also shows the time and date information. In addition, you can set multiple alarms. Something else that's interesting about the alarm is that it gets gradually louder as the time approaches, perhaps in 1 or 2 minutes in advance. So it's kind of similar to the Philips wake-up light in the philosophy that it gradually gets you to wake up, unless you're a very light sleeper, and that should, pull you from your sleep, and it's not as abrupt as something that suddenly jumps or suddenly rings extremely loudly. But again, the alarm here, the speakers are quite impressive. A few controls here for turning the alarm on and off manually, as well as controls for time, date information, setting the temperature from degrees C to degrees F. You can turn the sensor on and off for this. There's also an hour, month setup along the sides. You can change the lever quite simply. The sensor here also turns on an ambient light sensor on the top, so that when the room gets darker, the display can be programmed to always turn on, and then when the room is bright again, it will turn off automatically. A pretty nice and nifty feature.